welcome back to Summer Science and Travels with Avery. I have my brother here. Hi everybody. And we're gonna blow up balloons with vinegar and baking soda. So Jackson, show them the balloons. So now I'm gonna put the funnel in the bottle, and then someone is going to pour it into the funnel, and then the funnel will transport it into the bottle. And then the next step is that we put food coloring in, and then we're gonna scoop some baking soda from this box into the balloon. Then we're gonna take you outside, and then you'll see the magic happen. What's gonna happen when I flip over the balloon? Float. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. All right, what's gonna happen now? Oh, look what's happening! Ah! See it filling up, guys? It's cool, right? You see how they're working together to make the air? Did you see how they're working together? Yeah, I'm sure you see. Yeah, that's cool, right? What's gonna happen?
No, the balloon. Whoa!
So that's